In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete apps here on a MacBook Air M1. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now let's go ahead and start by opening up Finder. You could do this by finding Finder on your dock, or you could hit Command Space, typing in Finder, and then hitting Enter. Once you are on here though, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is look on this left-hand sidebar and find applications on here. Go ahead and open this up. And this is going to show you every single app that is currently installed here on your Mac. Let's say I want to delete an app. For example, we'll say, Roblox, right? Just as an example. What you're going to want to do is just select it. And then if you right click on it, you're going to see that you're not going to see a delete option itself. You're going to see an option that says move to trash. You can go ahead and select that, or what you can do is just hit command or delete. Or what you could do is just hit command and delete at the exact same time, and it's going to immediately remove that app for you. Then from here, what you're going to want to do, and I'm going to undo this real quickly, is go down to your trash bin, just right click on it, and then hit empty trash, and you're good to go. That'll completely remove that app here on your MacBook Air M1. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.